Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Akamil Forex. In today's video, I'm here to show you how to trade with the trend. In other words, this is the trend trading strategy. Pay attention, understand this strategy, and then this will change your level of trading in the forex market. Guys, this will change your level of trading in the forex market. So this is a trend trading strategy. Okay, before we can go into trend trading strategy, you need to identify your trend direction. Okay, first you need to identify your trend direction. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please smash on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new educative content like this. Okay, this is a trend trading strategy that I'm coming to show you. Backtest this strategy and see how it works for you. I've seen that in the many traders just show you support and resistance in the consolidation structure. That is price moving up and down in the consolidation structure. Price will move to the upside, comes to the downside, moves to the the up, down, and then they will be showing you to buy and sell. That you should sell at resistance and buy at support only in the ranging market, but they never tell you how to trade it in the trending market. And then they always say trade with the trend because the trend is your friend. Okay, trade with the trend because the trend is your friend. So today I'm here to give you a trend trading strategy, how you can trade with the trend. Okay, so before we come back to the live market, let's go in to see in the theory way how we can identify our trend first. So looking at these two structures, we have the bearish structure and the bullish structure. That's an uptrend and the downtrend. So for you to identify your trend, you see price will be giving you the higher highs. Price will be giving you a higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Okay, price will give you a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low. Okay, so this is how you can identify your uptrend market structure. So identifying this uptrend market structure. So now let's now come to see how we can trade with this. How we can trade with the trend using the trend trading strategy. Okay, using the trend trading strategy. So if you see a price giving us a high lows, higher highs, and high lows, this is an uptrend. So our directional bias in this market should be in a down and should be in an upward. We should be bull. We should be biased in this market. So if you see this, what you need is to join your higher highs. Just take your trend line to join the higher highs. Okay, just join the higher highs. If you join the higher highs, also come and join. Uh, if you join the higher highs, guys, I'm coming. If you join the higher highs, what you need to do is to join the higher lows as well. Join the higher lows as well. So if you let's take our trend line two. So if you take the trend line two, you join the higher lows. And remember, since it's an uptrend, we are trading with a trend, so we will be bull in this market. We'll be buying in this one in this market. So anytime price come and bounce comes to the trend line. Okay, anytime price come to the trend line as this we are seeing here, if price comes to the trend line to create a new high low, then you take your position from this. So our high trend line is termed as a resistant trend line, and then the higher lows trend line is termed as what as a support trend line. So we will be buying. I will be buying at support and selling at the resistance. So for you to grab the huge move, you need to be following the trend. You don't need to take against the trend. So if price bounce from the high low, that's the support, we'll buy, and then from the resistance we sell. Buy at the support and then we sell at the resistance. If you are selling at the resistance in the trend in a moving trend, guy, I will not advise you to be selling in an uptrend because you can't catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. If you catch a falling knife, what will happen? Put it in the comment section below. If you catch a falling knife, what will happen? Put it in the comment section below. So now, so you don't need to catch a falling knife. You don't need to catch a falling knife. That is why we need to trade with the trend. So anytime price comes into the support, that's the high lows, you take a buy position. So our first is how you can identify your trend. So if you identify your trend, draw your trend, your support trend line and your resistance trend line. This is our next point. And then wait for price to come and bounce either the support trend. If it's in an uptrend, wait price to come and bounce to come and test the support trend line. If price tests the support trend line, then you take your position to the upside. Okay, let's move into the downtrend market structure as well. In the downtrend market structure, price creates what we call the lower lows and lower highs. Price if price moves, it creates if price moves, it creates a lower low, move down creates a lower high. So what we need is to join the lower highs. Okay, just pull up your trend line to join the lower high, pull up your trend line tool and join the lower highs and also join the lower low. Okay, if you join the lower lows and then the lower highs, this will give you a clear structure. Okay, this will give you a clear structure. This will give you a clear structure and where you can what you can be taking your positions. So in a downtrend, we only sell at the support trend line. That is the lower lows, and also we will buy at the lower we will sell at the lower highs and buy at the lower low. So because it's in a downtrend, as the saying goes, you don't need to catch a falling knife. So we just need to sell from the lower low. So in a downtrend, will be best in the market. The next point also, you need to identify your trend line, you need to identify your trend direction, draw your trend line, the support and resistance trend line, and also be waiting for price to come and bounce into the resistance trend line or into the high, giving you a new high, a new lower highs before you take a trade to the downside. So this is how you can identify your trend directions and how you can use this concept to trade with the trend. So let's move into the live market and see how we can identify examples of this trading with the trend or the trend line trend trading strategy. So here we can see we have identified this trend and then we have indicate our trend line. So this is a downtrend market structure. So we have a lower high which is tested here. Another test is here. Okay, another test is here, and then we have our lower lows which is here, and then a new lower lows is here. So anytime you can see, anytime price comes into the what into the lower high, it will bounce to the what to the downside. So let's see. So in this, we'll be waiting for price to then what to then come and bounce, to then come before we take our position. We'll be waiting for price to come and bounce at the what at the resistance trend line, and then we'll take a sell position to the downside. Let's use the replay tool and see how price what will then price will play out with this. Okay, so let's see. um okay, if price is coming to the remember, as I said, if price move touch in at the lower low, it comes to the lower high, and then we take it from there, and then we'll continue the move to the what to the downside. So this is how we can identify it. So guys, let's see. Let me clear this. Look at this. In Chow, let me leave it so that you see. Boom. You see, this is it. You have seen this. So when price comes here, you see price has touched into this one, into this lower high. So when price starts to this lower high, see what happened. Okay, price moves to the downside. Price moves to the downside, and then we keep on following the trend. Okay, we keep on following the trend. We keep on following the trend. So as you can see here, price keep on bouncing from the trend line, from the resistance trend line. Okay, price keep on bouncing from it. So when price comes here, price bounce from the resistance and move down. Price bounce here. Okay, price from the trend line and move down, also bounce here and move down. So this is how you can trade with the trend using the trend line trading strategy, or the trend trading strategy. So this is how you can trade with it. Backtest this, and then see how it will work for you. Okay, backtest this and see how it will work for you. Also, let me tell you, this is how the pattern traders trade. Okay, they will identify their trend line support and trend line resistance. Also, there I'll have a day, and then I'll come and show you how to trade with the pattern strategy. Okay, pattern strategy. Okay, so that is how you can trade with the trend. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, and also give me a thumbs up. Check in the description, you see our traders chat room community. Join the traders chat room community, and let's share ideas together in the chat room. And also, there is a library link in the description. Join the library link to get access to trading books that will boost your knowledge in the forex market. Guys, there is a Kamlo for